Hello, so this is the second part of the tutorial and we're going to focus on drawing this section here. So we're going to open up the parts that we've already drawn and we're going to select section view and we're going to section it at the front plane. Now we're going to draw on the front plane and we're going to draw our two center lines intersecting at the origin. So to start off, I can see that there's a 3/4 dimension here. That's the thickness there. And I'm going to draw in two lines. I'm going to hold Control, select this line, the other line, in the center line, and I'm going to give it a symmetric relation. I'm pressing Escape. I'm holding Control again, and I'm giving these two lines an equal relation. Now I'm going to go back to the drawing, and I can see that there's a 3/8 relation here. So I'm going to put that relation. I'm going to put that dimension in. And now I want to draw the rest of the section here. So I'm going to draw a rough shape of how it looks. I'm going to go back to the drawing. I can see that this is 60 degrees. So I'm going to Smart Dimension. Giving that 60 degrees. And I've just missed a dimension out, so I'm going back to the drawing and I'm going to add in this dimension as I was talking about before. Now if I go back to the drawing, this is parallel and it has a 15/16 dimension, so I'm going to extend these lines into the shell, holding Control, and give that a parallel relation. Using the Smart Dimension tool, I can change that to 15/16. And now I want to do exactly the same on the other side, but as the inverse. So I'll give a 3 1/8 dimension here. I'm drawing two lines. And as you can see, it's snapping to the parallel relation, so I'll just draw that in there. And then I'll add that 60-degree relation in there. And now it's fully defined except for these two lines, which are irrelevant if they're drawn in the shell. So now that the sketch is done, I can go to Features and select Extruded Boss. I'm going to change the direction to up to surface, and click there. Now I want a second direction as well. I'm going to do exactly the same. And select the surface again. And that's the end of part 2.